sa gitna man ng daan. Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyosan ba ako dinadala. Bawat ngiti biglang nabura. Hiwaga ng iyong
Hi, are you visible as well?
Yes. Good morning, everyone. I'm Kiara Luis Venezuela. But you can call me Dada.
I'm Cynthia.
Yeah.
magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin, di pinapansin. Ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di maunawaan. Alam tinibang kita sa aking isip ikaw.
Since that day, we become close to each other.
Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay pinupod niya na. Sa'yo lang magpapangkin, di talalampasin. Huwag ka sanang kumawala.
Di mawawala.
Di pinapansin.
2 months have passed. I thought that our relationship will continue, but it will also be loose because of the new person who will came into our life.
Hey, did I go to campus student again the last week? Really? It's both boy and girl, and when they arrive.
Good morning, sir. We are the new transferee from NAS.
My classmates are the new students that I was telling you about.
Hi, everyone. I'm Enora Jans Aquilino from NAS.
Good day, everyone. I'm Sinaida Elisha Peña-Flor. You can call me S.
My classmates in our class did not sit beside me so much.
A few days passed. The two got better, and Maverick and Kiara were no longer together because of Enora.
Also known as I like you since the day I've met you.